Hey, what's up everybody, here Ivan. I'm gonna do this super quick video, email blasting CPA offers to people that are interested in that niche. Let me show you how it works. This is a brand new, I just found out about this software that gets a lot of emails. Like right now, and this is my dummy account, my CPA network. It's called adworkmedia.com. It's a CPA content locker site platform. So they're paying for this. I was gonna do it earlier, but I'm just gonna show you a sample how it works, a little sample how it works. They're paying $1.20 per lead. This is the offer that I'm gonna be sending. It's Michael Coach. It's like a brand clothes. A lot of people like this. So they just gotta fill out all this, the info, and you will get paid $1.20 per lead conversion. So it's awesome. I just found out about this software. It's from Instagram. It gets a lot of emails from Instagram followers related to that niche. Like, let me show you. Let's put hashtag Michael Coats. So it's gonna pull up all their data from these people that are following Michael Coats, their email, phone number, username, last name, first name, etc., etc. So yeah, it has 23.3 followers on Michael Coats Instagram account. But usually, if you're brand new on email blasting, just go with 15K to start. Because you gotta test first if they work or not. You should go with 15K if you want. You want to scale it up. Like me, I pay like 500K because usually I do a lot of email blasting. I send like 100K per day. But it's a lot. It's a little bit. That's a little bit more advanced. If you new to this email blasting, you're not gonna understand it. So it's better to start with the basics. That's what I'm trying to say. But yeah, you get all their email. This is what I do. They're getting their email and sending an offer like this, and that's it. It's like a 50% that they will fill out this. 50% like open rate that they will fill out this offer, and you will get paid $120. This is my dummy account. I just found out about this offer, but if you guys want to test it, cool. I don't care. I got more offers. That pay more, $3, I think. So yeah, I was gonna say something. Oh yeah, how if you wanna start sending like 500 per day, that's cool. Maybe you'll get like $100, 200. I might test it this week on this service, GMass. It's from Google. Yeah, I think you can send like 500 per day. Is this one the standard one? I don't know how much is this one. To be honest, I gotta test it for this week. This on GMass. I think you can send like 500 per day, 15K per day, no, per month, sorry, per month, I think. So it's cool. It's like GMass it's almost like the same as Aweber, Get Response, but you only can send 50K per month. That's a bad thing. I wish you could send more, but no. But it works. My business partner already tried it with this one, and he's killing it. He's making like 300, I think. 200 per day, 100 to 300, I think. But yeah, it works, people. You just gotta hustle. Take action. Take action. It's all about taking action in this game online. If you don't take action, you're never gonna make money. But this is really passive income. Just send them, and that's it. That's it. It's an autopilot. It's passive income, really passive income. Not like recruiting. You gotta talk with people, engage all day, and this and that and then. It's not my cup of tea being all day on Facebook. And I have a family. I'd rather spend all the time with my family. But yeah, I might do a video next weekend. So subscribe to my channel. It's on youtube.com/Ivan Ramirez. Subscribe, like, comment on this video. And I will do a video on more details, more info next weekend if I have time. But as long as I get some good feedback and everything. So let me know when you subscribe, guys. I might give you something for free. Something I did it when I did on Friday. I beat it on Craigslist. It's super awesome too. So let me know when you subscribe, and take action, people. Take action. And thanks for watching this super quick video. See ya. Peace.